Starting the program, it was a new challenge, something exciting. I was looking forward to coming here. Just had a few properties, but it was a bit manic, trying to do everything and nothing. Been interested in HMOs, been interested in conversions, service accommodation, name it, I was interested in it. Now I just having a clear vision, having a business that really works for me, enjoying the time, spending with family, friends, building further the portfolio. I think the biggest change around was I think believing in yourself, seeing what I can achieve, going through all of the hardships and the difficulties we encounter. I think accountability is really important, and that's the part of why I joined this program. I could see myself in the past being drifted away from my center of focus because everyday life sort of crops in and takes you away, whereas having to come every month, being asked direct question by sort of my colleagues, by Kevin, show them I have done things, come and being proud of what I have done. Without that, I don't think I'll be where I am here, without that support I got from the group. I think the biggest thing we had achieved over the last year was our newest project, where we converted one house into 6 holiday apartments, which were to generate a return in the region of maybe 70 to 80%. It's a sort of game changer. Again, without sort of being here, without sort of having that support, sort of guidance, people around me and help through the difficult times, I think that will be not achievable. I think it's important to know what you really want, and sometimes money can be objection, sometimes the time it could be objection. I think ask yourself that question, what really you want to do, and just go for it. Regardless, I could easily say that by going through this program, the income I get from the sort of business that it created, it paid off in multiple times, and it will be paying off for the next sort of years coming. I don't think money should be an objection for you if you think about coming into here, because this will pay itself easily. There are some stressful times. Not everything is as easy as it might look, but as long as you stick to your guns, as long as you stick to your plan, it really is what it is. If you want to build the property, if you want to be an investor, I think this is a program you should go for. It was really helpful to have that sort of expertise of Kevin's, working with finance, with investors for many years. That really draws all of the knowledge and experience he had to make me reassured when it came to buying property, to developing it, to sort of understand the finance, how the lenders work. It made it sort of much more peaceful as a process itself. He's easy approachable, he wouldn't sort of judge you, and quite often he'll tell you as it is, which I really like. So coming to an end, today being the last day, looking back into sort of what we have achieved, I think we have gathered a group of great people that support each other, try to sort of help one another throughout the last 12 months, trying to stimulate the learning and the growth between us. I think last year was a very busy, difficult, hard, but at the same time very rewarding year for myself and my family. It totally changed to my mindset, my life, what I want to do. When I want to do, help me to sort of move out from the focus of my main job to what I really want to do in my life, which is a property, which is investment, helping me to achieve my journeys, my hobbies, allowed me the extra time to spend with the family, friends, go skiing, go snorkeling. It really, really totally changed my life, and I'm really glad for it. I'm really sort of happy moving to where I am now and looking really positive into future.
If you enjoyed watching this video, did you know every Monday morning at 8:30 I do a live Facebook Q&A. So if you want to start the week with checking out some answers to your property finance questions, click the link here.